Recovering a Phantom Wallet login can be a straightforward process if you have the necessary information and follow the correct steps. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store and manage cryptocurrencies such as Solana. To recover your Phantom Wallet login, you will need to have access to the recovery phrase or the password used to create the wallet. First, ensure you are using the correct version of the Phantom Wallet application, either on your desktop or mobile device. If you are having trouble accessing your wallet, try restarting the application or checking for any available updates. Next, navigate to the Phantom Wallet login page and click on the Forgot Password option. You will be prompted to enter the recovery phrase, which is a list of words generated when you first created your wallet. This phrase is used to restore your wallet and access your funds. If you do not have the recovery phrase, you will need to try to recall the password used to create the wallet. Phantom Wallet does not store passwords, so you will not be able to recover your wallet without the recovery phrase or password. To prevent losing access to your wallet in the future, it is essential to store your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking application. You should also consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. In addition, it is crucial to be cautious of phishing scams and fake websites that may try to steal your recovery phrase or password. Always ensure you are accessing the official Phantom Wallet website and application. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you should be able to recover your Phantom Wallet login and access your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and take necessary measures to protect your recovery phrase and password.